Typically, underserved areas of the city don't receive the same quality of education and the same preparation for college and career readiness that other schools do. Bronx Academy for Software Engineering started 2 years ago as a part of our principal Ben Grossman's vision for bringing computer science and computer education to the Bronx. I teach 50 students each semester. My name is Brian Schott. I'm a 10th grade math and computer science teacher at the Bronx Academy for Software Engineering in the Bronx, New York. Some of my students have difficulty finding out how to start assignments, finding entry points to their work, and so they can get easily frustrated. So I really have to think about how to scaffold my instruction to make sure that students are able to access the learning at every stage. In my web design and development class, I use Cacoo for students to create basic website mockups, allowing them to see their ideas come to life before they create them. When we first started doing mockups last semester, I provided students with graph paper and markers. And while some students take to that, other students who maybe aren't as artistic look at a blank sheet of paper and freeze up. I noticed that one student in particular who had a lot of trouble coding at first and starting his projects really took to the visual tools that Cacoo gave him. And he liked it so much that anytime we would do a website, he would start with a prototype. Whenever class would start, he would load up Cacoo. So he's now thinking visually, and he's thinking like, how can I plan this out first? It really does break down students' work better than putting a piece of graph paper in front of them and telling them just to start. I feel like it's one of the only tools out there that has all those features coming together into just a great product